Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this Aocktobar Ultrasonic Cleaner. I was gifted this item to give it a try and see what I thought about it. So let's go ahead and unpack this and then let's try it out. At first glance, when I opened it up, I was pleasantly surprised by how compact and portable it is. It is only a little over 1 pound in weight with a 200 milliliter inner capacity. This works great, especially when you only need to clean smaller items. The anti-slip rubber coating at the bottom also helps give a good grip so it doesn't slide around while using the machine. It comes with a cleaning card, there's some instructions, the ultrasonic cleaner with a basket for your jewelry, and a see-through lid. It also has a charger as well. The voltage on the adapter also caters to different voltages around the world, so you can use it anywhere you go. I also love that it is multi-purpose. It can be used to clean all kinds of things like jewelry, of course, but also dentures, watches, razor heads, mouth guards, even baby feeding accessories. I was intrigued by all the different things that this machine can clean beyond just jewelry, so I decided to test some of those out. First up, I have some baby feeding accessories, and that is what I'm going to be cleaning first. There is a max line on the tank to make sure I don't overfill it with the water. I then cover the lid and plug it in, turn it on, and then let it do its thing. As the machine starts cleaning, I'm able to see what is going on from the see-through lid on the top. Next, I tried it with nail clippers to get those cleaned as well. According to the cleaning card that comes with the machine, the cleaning process for the baby feeding supplies and also personal care items like the nail clippers is usually between 1 to 3 minutes. The card also gives information for other cleaning times depending on the type of products that you are cleaning. So be sure to follow those guidelines. Once the specified cleaning time is completed, I can take the items out and it's good to go. I noticed that as the ultrasonic cleaning is in progress, the machine slightly increases the temperature of the water by about 10 degrees or so. And once it is done, the water feels a little bit warmer than when it started. This ultrasonic cleaning machine emits a high frequency of 43,000 hertz and a high power output of 30 watts to loosen and break down any dirt from the items that we are cleaning. The technology is designed to perform a 360-degree clean without damaging the items. Overall, it has been great for the intended purpose, and I am really excited to try using it to clean other things as well. If you are looking for a portable, lightweight, yet high-power ultrasonic cleaner, be sure to take a look at this.